The Aiper Scuba X1 is a cordless robotic pool cleaner with intelligent navigation and powerful suction. It cleans the floor, walls, and waterline automatically for a spotless pool with minimal effort.
What's in the box?
In the box, you find the Aiper Scuba X1 pool cleaner, cartridge filters, Aiper Scuba hook, support legs, charger supply, dock front cover, charging panel,
And user manual.
product overview. How to pair. Download the Aiper app and enable Bluetooth on your smartphone. Turn on the Scuba X1, then place it in pairing mode by following the app instructions. Select Add Device in the app, choose the Scuba X1, and complete the on-screen setup. Once paired, you can start cleaning, choose cleaning modes, monitor the cleaner's status, and access smart controls directly from your smartphone. How to use. Charge the Aiper Scuba X1 fully before first use by assembling the charging dock, connecting it to the power adapter, and placing it on a flat, dry surface. Position the cleaner correctly on the dock and allow it to charge until the battery is full. Install and clean the filter basket if needed, then place the cleaner into the pool and press the power button to turn it on. Select your preferred cleaning mode using the onboard controls or the Aiper app if connected. The cleaner will automatically navigate and clean the pool floor, walls, and waterline. After the cleaning cycle is complete, remove the cleaner from the pool, empty and rinse the filter basket, allow it to dry, and return it to the charging dock for the next use.
Maintenance. After each cleaning session, remove the filter box, empty the debris, and rinse both the filter box and the MicroMesh ultrafine filter thoroughly, then reinstall them securely once clean. Regularly check the propeller and remove any tangled debris to keep it running smoothly. Inspect the caterpillar tread for wear and replace it if damaged to maintain optimal performance. Store the device in a dry, well-ventilated place away from direct sunlight and replace the MicroMesh ultrafine filter approximately every 30 uses for the best filtration performance. Smart features?
The high-performance 6,600 gallons per hour suction effortlessly removes leaves, dirt, sand, and fine debris from your pool. It delivers deep, efficient cleaning for crystal-clear water with every cleaning cycle. WavePath 3.0 intelligently plans efficient cleaning routes to maximize pool coverage while minimizing missed spots. It navigates around obstacles with precision, delivering faster and more thorough cleaning. Cleans the pool floor, climbs walls, and scrubs the waterline automatically in a single cleaning cycle. Provides complete pool coverage, leaving every surface clean with minimal effort. The advanced MicroMesh filter captures ultrafine debris, including dust, pollen, algae, and other tiny particles. It helps maintain crystal clear water by trapping contaminants that standard filters can miss. Choose from 5 intelligent cleaning modes to match your pool's size, shape, and cleaning requirements. This flexible operation delivers efficient, customized cleaning for every pool maintenance session. Control the Aiper Scuba X1 directly from your smartphone using the Aiper app. Start or schedule cleaning, select modes, monitor status, and receive firmware updates with ease.
Specifications.
FAQs.
Safety precautions.
That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Aiper Scuba X1 pool cleaner. See you at the next one.